Hey YouTube, it's Drew and Mike from Drew's Clues, and we're back with another video. And in today's video, we're doing a bro versus bro challenge, making super slime.
So guys, we hit 300 subscribers today. That is pretty amazing. So we're pushing for 500, and at 500, we're gonna do a $25 Visa gift card giveaway. So, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below, and hit that bell.
Okay guys, this isn't just any slime. This is super slime. And the ingredients we need to make super slime is right here.
So we have PVA alcohol, liquid borax, we also have food coloring of your choice, glitter of your choice, and all our tools in front of us. So let's get started.
I hope I don't mess up on the food coloring this time.
So your first step is your PVA alcohol. This can be really hard to find because my mom had to order it off of Amazon because we couldn't find it anywhere else. Also, make sure when you're pouring it, you pour it slowly because you don't want it to get in your eyes or mouth or anything because it can be
Pretty dangerous.
Yeah.
So Mike,
What?
how tall do you fill it up?
Barely at the...
Oh, okay. So guys, remember to not get it in your eyes. But guys, remember to not get it in your eyes because that'll just be bad. Ooh! This is heavy.
Okay, so after you're done pouring that, make sure you put the lid back on.
Make sure, because this thing is... Oof.
Then you make sure that you put your decorations in your PVA alcohol before you put in the liquid borax. So I want blue food coloring and blue glitter.
I'm getting purple food coloring and silver glitter. Mine's gonna look better, definitely. I hope I just don't screw up on the food coloring this time.
I think mine's gonna look better because the colors are consistent. Like you get blue all over.
How many drops do we have to get, Michael?
Just put it to your own wanting.
Okay.
I think I put on a bit too much. Oh, I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win so better. I mean, like, last time I did a major fail. If you didn't see our last slime video,
No, that was our bouncy ball video. Where
our bouncy ball
he
video.
put too much food coloring, and then the thing wouldn't
Work, and then
it
I put on
wouldn't
my
stick.
hands.
So then he put it on his hands, and it looked like blood.
Yup, it was irony.
Do you know what that means?
Yes.
What does it mean?
It means, well, it means that you do something that is crazy.
No.
I forgot. That's only what I meant. Okay, let me feel it.
It's not supposed to stick because we haven't put the borax in it.
Now we put the borax. No, I need it.
Okay, guys. So after you're done putting all your decorations in, we're about to finish here in a second. Then all you do is you grab a tablespoon.
Make sure tablespoon.
Liquid borax. You might want to order this off of Amazon as well.
Yeah. Anyway, Saturday nights are exciting. So we have movie night. And we ordered the pizza. And pizza's amazing. Every time.
Pour it over the bowl.
Like, while I'm pouring it over the bowl, can you tell them about movie night?
What?
What?
It's already starting to stick.
Let me see.
Guys.
What?
Look at this.
Oh my god, it's already starting to stick.
This looks pretty cool.
Mine looks better than his because his is all blue and I did mixed colors. So I guess you guys can definitely see who won. Mike, do you think who wins? Everyone, and I'm saying everyone thinks I won. Oh really? Okay. Purple is my favorite color and yellow's my favorite color. But purple is close enough because purple is like royalty. And I like royalty. There's a song about it. It's fun. Anyway. Michael, how's yours feeling?
If you guys can see that, mine is getting to a good consistency. See, look at this.
Look at this. Ooh. Ugh.
So just keep stirring.
Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring.
Until it gets kind of to like where mine is at this point.
And mine. I look like a purple snail. Oh yeah.
So guys, I think mine is all done. I think mine looks better. Looks like the ocean. Oh, this is cold.
Do you think I should touch mine now, Michael? Michael, should I touch mine now?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so coldy.
So guys, let's take these out of the bowl.
Yeah. Mine, guys, do you think mine is better or Mikey's?
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment. And I bet almost everyone, I say everyone, will choose Michael.
Thank you. Have you guys ever played with slime like this? I mean, like, you guys usually see YouTubers, they play with like cloud slime.
Guys, have you ever seen slime like this? I can be a superhero who throws slime at bad guys and stuff in the stuff mart.
This is like jello.
Yeah, I'm definitely keeping this in my slime collection.
If you guys want to keep this from running dry, you want to put it in a Ziploc bag, like a plastic bag or something.
I can show this.
Fridge. It'll stay like this for a long time.
I'm gonna show this to my classmates at my school, man.
It's not like stretchy slime though. It can't, like, if you pick it up and try and stretch it, it just kind of like
breaks.
Comes apart.
Yeah, but still, it's fun to play with. It's a purple giant worm.
I already said that.
Worm, I'm a worm, I'm a worm, I'm a worm. I'm a worm that can change form. And I can piece back together. Ooh, here's my sword. I am a worm, I'm a giant. Down below, who do you think who won this challenge? Mine is definitely better. See?
Mine is
awesome. I mean, like, put this in the slime museum. This will be the best slime in history. And go into the loser slime museum. Look at Michael's.
the loser slime museum.
Yeah, there's such thing. Go downtown.
I thought this would be like liquid, like runny slime, but it's actually like it's jello. That's what it is. This is blueberry flavored, and his is grape flavored.
I'm gonna have to mold a guitar out of this. Hang on. Well, anyways, besides this is awesome.
Oh, oh yeah.
Man, Mom, power up. Yeah, that was totally a fail.
I'm a zombie. What?
Runny.
Is my nose running? Chew! Get the slime! Cartoon!
It's like
Slime battle!
and it's
The slime police and slime robbers
wait, Angel,
fighting!
we should see if we can make a bubble.
A bubble?
Oh, I don't think it's
No, we can't make a bubble. We need regular slime for that.
But you can like stretch it so much that it becomes clear. Mine looks cool. It looks like the ocean because of the glitter inside of it and the way I put the blue. It just looks really.
Mine looks like the end in Minecraft's water.
Did you hear that sound?
Yeah, I was like, quit farting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys better run. I'm a superhero and I can shoot slime at you. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and hit that bell.
Don't forget to comment who won this slime challenge. It's definitely me. Anyway, bros out.